Hello friends, welcome to SPSPM's Renuka High School, Satara Parisar, Aurangabad. Myself, Mahajan RB, Assistant Teacher of Subject English. Today we are going to learn topic of Standard 8, that is language study. In this section we are going to take a look at language study. Language study. Some verbs in English do not change in a regular pattern when their tense changes. These verbs are called irregular verbs. Fill the forms of verbs in the following table. Here answers are given already. Look at the table. There are three columns. In this table, first column is of present tense, second column is of past tense, and third one is of past participle. Let us see examples. First, break. In present tense, break. Past tense of break is broke, and past participle of break is broken. Second, present tense do. Past tense of do is did, and past participle is done. That is do, did, done. Third, go. Past tense of go went, and past participle of go is gone. Go, went, gone. Fourth, come. Past of come is came, and past participle of come is come. Come, came, come. Fifth, sing. Past tense of sing is sang, and past participle is sung. S-U-N-G, sung. Sing, sang, sung. Now, six, bring. Past tense of bring is brought, and past participle is brought. Bring, brought, brought. Brought is past tense as well as past participle of present tense. Then look at the seventh example, drive. Past tense of drive is drove, D-R-O-V-E, and past participle is driven, D-R-I-V-E-N. Example number 8, fall. Past tense of fall is fell, and past participle is fallen, F-A-L-L-E-N. Then 9, know. Past tense of know is knew, and past participle is known, K-N-O-W-N. Then example number 10, run. Past tense of run is ran, and past participle is run. Run, ran, run. Present tense of see. 11 example, S-E-E-C. Past tense of see is saw, S-A-W, saw, and past participle is seen, S-E-E-N. Example number 12, present tense take, past tense took, and past participle is taken. Second, read the following sentences. I was coming down the school stairs. A and B is teacher has asked us to learn it up. In sentence A, the verb indicates an action that is continuous or in progress at a particular time, past, present, or future. The verb is said to be in continuous or progressive tense. Was coming is an example of past continuous tense, and formula is given here. Auxiliary verb plus main verb plus ing is equal to continuous tense. In sentence B, the verb indicates an action that is complete at particular time in past, future, or present. The verb is then said to be in perfect tense. Has asked is said to be in present perfect tense. And formula is has oblique have oblique had plus verb in past participle form is perfect tense. Third, fill up the table of tenses using the verb give. Answer is given here. Type of tense in present tense, simple present tense give, simple continuous am is are giving, then present perfect has oblique have given. Number second tense past tense, simple past gave, past continuous was or were giving, past perfect had given. And third one is future, simple future tense shall will give, future continuous shall will giving, future perfect shall will have given. Second, say whether the following sentences are continuous tense or perfect tense. Answers are given here. Number one, I was entering the class. This is continuous tense. Second, the girls are teasing me. This is also continuous tense. Third, I haven't said a word to you. This is perfect tense. Fourth, never before had anyone lavished love on me. This is also perfect tense. Number 5, you are going to be responsible for it. This is continuous tense. Number 6, according to the teacher, I had dropped the notebook on purpose. This is perfect tense. Number 4, turn the following sentences into polite request. Example, show me the way to post office. And the polite request is, would you please show me the way to post office? Now look at the first sentence. Take me to your teacher, and turn into request. Would you please take me to your school? Second, tell me something about your school. Would you please tell me something about your school? Third, give me the details about your extracurricular activity. Would you please give me the details about your extracurricular? Fourth one is, provide me the information about books in your school library. And answer is, would you please provide me the information about books in your school library? Thank you. Next lecture, lecture 7, topic name, word play.